For all my self-quarantinis out there right now, you got some hot water. Here's some best medicine, natural best medicine. Some organic honey. And we got the ginger. I'm about to cut this bitch up raw dog. This is one of the best natural medicines you can have. I will be back for the finished product. Now I had to grade that bad boy with my spoon. But she is a beauty. She cures all sicknesses. Step 1. I'm going to take a nice chunks like this to make my tea nice and gingery. Boom, boom. There's the flavor. That's about it. Now you still got a whole lot of ginger. I'm going to throw that bad boy in a Ziploc. Step 2. Now I know a lot of people, why are you showing me little things like this? Because I don't know, I feel like a lot of people, if this is too hard, might be too hard for some people. Now add your hot water. But obviously don't spill like me, man. A little bit of hot water, let's put a little more. Don't spill like me, man. That's step 3, don't spill like me. Step 3, break out your honey. Now, you guys might already put tea in, but this is Bob's step 3. I put the honey in first, man. That's a step 3, and I put a lot. So, I'm not going to advise you. You put as much as you want. Step 4. Mix that honey, hot water, and ginger, man. So powerful. So powerful. You see the mix. Step 4 of Bob's ginger tea recipe. Step 5, you'll put your tea bags in there now. That's a Lipton, and I got me 1 green tea. So I get the 2 different flavor and double the action. So now we're gonna mix that flavor in, man. Brothers and sisters, you will not be disappointed. You see that color? Give it a little dip if you want, a little with the dip with your fork. That color, oh, so powerful. Now, medicine in use. Enjoy positive vibrations world. Ah.